Children, please open Maths class workbook page number 106 to write number name 0. Number name 0. Z-E-R-O 0. Let us trace 0 over here first. C curve and reverse C curve like this. Okay, let us trace inside. C curve, reverse C curve. Now we will write number name 0, and number name 0 we will write in small alphabet, right? So we will write between two blue lines. So let us write number name 0. Okay, so Z, to write Z, first we will make sleeping line on the first blue line, slanting line and sleeping line on the second blue line like this. To write E, first we will make slanting line and C curve E. How we will write our children? First we will make standing line, go up, touch the blue line and make a curve R. And let us write O, C curve and reverse C curve, Z-E-R-O 0. Now we will write on our own over here. And children, you have to speak and write Z-E-R-O 0. Now let us write once again. Speak and write, babies, okay? Z E R O 0. Z E R O 0. Okay, this way you have to complete the lines over this side and over this side also. So let us write Z E R O 0. Z E R O 0. Babies, you have to speak and write, right? Z E R O 0. Z E R O 0. Children, this is how you will write number name Z-E-R-O 0 in your workbook.